Welcome back, everybody. This is George with you at the Volo Auto Museum, and today on this virtual test drive we have a 1968 Chevy Camaro Z28, a real Z28. This one was body off frame, but they used the original steel. I believe it's believed to have a little over 3,000 miles on it. Absolutely beautiful. The paint and the sunlight, you can't beat it. As I'm doing the walk around, go ahead and click subscribe on the YouTube channel, turn on the notifications so you get updated anytime Jerry and myself do a video. And then when we're done with this test drive, go on over to volocars.com where we have all the pictures inside the studio, the write-up, the pricing. Ooh. And then give sales a call, because I don't think this one's going to last long either. Door pops open with ease. The interior is absolutely beautiful. Go ahead and buckle up here. Looking at the dash and everything, I'm not seeing any cuts or abrasions. Everything looks really awesome in here. Let's go ahead and start her up. And this one, I wish you, it may sound weird, but I wish you could smell the race fuel. So that's what this one has in it right now. The guy took great care of it. Speedometer, tachometer, everything works. Has your extra gauges down here. Let's see if the radio, no radio. Fan kicks on. All right, this is our first time getting it out on the road. So we're gonna take it slow, get used to it, and then later in the video I will open it up a little bit. Oh, it sounds so pretty. You definitely feel like a rock star driving this thing. Drives nice and straight. The brakes felt really responsive back there. Goes through the gears smooth. The clutch feels great. Nice, tight. Down this bumpy road, see how it sounds. I just hit that bump and I didn't hear a thing. See right there, I didn't hear any squeaks, rattles, didn't hear anything. Tell this wants to be opened up. Already getting thumbs up, let's go. Oh, this is fun. Goes through all four gears, super nice and smooth. Pulls you back in the seat. This is a fun one. Oh, goodness. I have zero complaints. like power steering, but it's still easy to turn. All right, I'll try getting on a little more now that I got a better feel for it. Oh, that is nice. This is one of my favorite virtual test drives so far. I hope you enjoyed as much as I did. Like I said, click subscribe on the YouTube channel, turn on notifications, go to volocars.com, check everything out, and then set up a test drive, come out and visit us, because this thing is so sweet and it will be gone soon. As always, I appreciate you.